See this sum from chapter triangles. They have given one quadrilateral ABCD, and in that they say AD is equal to CD. A and C are right angles, they say. Prove that AB is equal to BC. These two small segments are congruent. We have to prove this is equal to this. So what does our common sense say? ये इससे प्रूव करना है तो वी विल टेक दिस ट्राइंगल टू दिस ट्राइंगल, राइट? ये दोनों ट्राइंगल लेगा. वंस वी एस्टैब्लिश दैट दिस ट्राइंगल इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू दिस ट्राइंगल, naturally these two will be corresponding part of congruent triangle, CPCT. So come on, start करते हैं. Point number 1, consider triangle ABD and CBD. Okay, consider triangle ABD and triangle CBD. Okay, now BD is congruent to BD. Okay, common side. Then AD is congruent to CD. What is that? Given. Okay, now बस हो गया ना? I got one hypotenuse and one side. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Reason is RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, side, axiom or test, whatever you write. Right angle, hypotenuse, side, test. Okay, therefore AB, side AB is equal to side BC, corresponding part of congruent triangles. Hence proved. Simple tha. May get in 1 mark or 2 marks, not more than that. Okay, now we take a little tougher sum for 3 marks. We'll take a 3 mark wala sum. See, they have given two triangles like this, and it ends here. Dusra, it ends here. Okay, and they say this part is congruent to this part. They have named it as B, D, C and E. Okay, D, and they say this is C and this is E, और ऊपर और नीचे A and F दिया है, A and F. And now what they say is, in this triangle AC is equal to DF. What they say is AC is equal to DF and BD is equal to CE. This is equal to this. Okay, and they also say angle C is congruent to angle D. ACB, this one, is congruent to FDE, this one. Okay, now they have given one triangle above other triangle and they have given some parameters which are equal. What they want is, they want us to prove that angle A, this angle is congruent to this angle. Okay, these two are congruent करके बताना है हमको. So to find, I am not writing given and all, to find angle A, to prove angle A is equal to angle F. Let us start. See, simple है. ये दोनों congruent है बताना है, तो ये दो triangle congruent है बताना है. Once you establish that these two triangles are congruent, ये दोनों angle will be CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Now let us start. We'll start from here. ये टुकड़ा टुकड़ा दिया है ना इन्होंने. There is some connection with these टुकड़ास. What I'll do, I'll make this part is equal to this part. देखो कैसा करता है. They have given this part is equal to this part. I'll say this part will be equal to this part. Let us see how. See, BD is equal to CE. Okay, C is the name, ACA, and D is this. BD is equal to CE. Now I'll add BD. ये जो है ना, ये पार्ट, ये एक्स्ट्रा टुकड़ा जो है, I'll add to both the sides. Okay, plus DC is equal to CE plus DC. Reason will be adding DC to both the sides. Okay, कर सकते हैं ना? I can do anything on both the sides. I can either add, I can also subtract. Now what is BD plus DC? BD plus DC is nothing but BC, and CE plus DC is what? DE. Okay. Now say ये ट्रायंगल का BC और ये ट्रायंगल का DE, ये दोनों मेरा इक्वल हो गया. एक साइड तो मुझे मिल गया, करेक्ट. ये दो एंगल दे आर टेलिंग इट इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट, गिवन है ये दो एंगल, और ये भी गिवन है. सो साइड एंगल साइड, SAS postulate, SAS axiom से ये दो ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. ओके, सो नाउ BC is equal to DE, and in triangles ABC you have to mention the triangles. Okay, now you have only established this. Now take the triangle. In triangle ABC, this you can name it as 1. Okay, in triangle ABC and triangle DFE and DFE, okay, and triangle DFE, we have 1 BC is equal to DE. Okay, from 1 above, यहाँ से reason. Then AC is equal to DF, given. Okay, then angle ACB is equal to angle EDF, given. I am writing here. Okay, so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DE ABC FDE. Okay, which test? SAS test or SAS axiom. Now since these two triangles are congruent, I can say angle A is congruent to angle F, reason being corresponding parts of congruent triangles, hence proved. Okay, I proved it. That's all.